Are you tired of customer chaos? Disconnected channels create frustration for your customers and inflated costs for your business. Customers bounce between emails, chats, and calls, repeating their issues and causing delays. Imagine this: a customer emails, chats, then calls, needing to repeat everything to get help. The result? Longer resolution times and higher operational costs. But there's a solution: intelligent virtual agents, or IVAs. Connect your IVAs across channels with a single knowledge source for consistent support. With AI-powered IVAs, customers receive fast responses on chat, voice, email, SMS, and social. Here's why our IVAs stand out. 1. Seamless channel hopping means customers never repeat themselves. 2. Shared knowledge creates accurate, consistent answers. 3. Continuous improvement ensures your IVAs learn and adapt over time. Start with the channels that matter most. 1. Level up your chat experience by resolving up to 90% of inquiries instantly. 2. Use voice automation to eliminate wait times and streamline calls. 3. Automate your email inbox to reduce costs significantly. Plus, shift conversations to SMS, capturing customers with a 98% open rate. Protect your brand on social media by providing instant, on-brand responses. Disconnected channels lead to frustration and inefficiencies. Connect your IVAs now and create a unified customer experience. Ready to get started? Check out our guidebook, Optimizing AI in the Modern Contact Center today.